Domestic violence is one of the most widespread and dangerous health and safety challenge in our community today. The City of Phoenix is a national leader in preventing and ending domestic violence. This is part of an awareness campaign called Paint Phoenix Purple.
Paint Phoenix Purple is the City of Phoenix domestic violence awareness campaign. For 9 years, the goal of the city has been to reduce and eventually eliminate domestic violence here in the City of Phoenix. Our campaign partners include local businesses, community and faith-based organizations, and educational institutions. Our campaign partners are important to us because while the city has taken on a leadership role in ending domestic violence, we rely on the help from our community partners to actively respond and provide some of the solutions.
One likely partner is the Sojourner Center. Since 1977, this center has been a safe haven for domestic violence women and their children in Arizona.
All of our programs are designed with the intention of reducing barriers to safety. So some programs that we offer is we have residential services, which includes a crisis shelter for those that are immediately fleeing an abusive relationship. We also have transitional housing, which is a 2-year program for survivors to be able to have the time needed as they rebuild and create a home environment free from abuse.
This center is unique in many ways. They recognize the importance of pets as family members.
We also have a pet companion shelter. That's a great innovative program that really allows families and their pets to heal together. The way the pet shelter actually began was for years and years, we've asked survivors through our intake process, do you have an animal in need of safety? And what we were finding from all of their answers was the majority of them did have animals in need of safety. And so just like we've done with all of our programs, we needed to listen to who we served, and we needed to bring in members of our community to meet that need. And so we launched our pet companion shelter in 2015 with really the goal of reducing that barrier to safety. And so our companion shelter, it's an on-site pet shelter that has a capacity to serve dogs, cats, any type of a companion pet that a family might come in with.
When animals come to the shelter, they go through an intake assessment and get any medical work done at no cost to the victim. They also go through their own pet therapy as well.
Every pet parent knows that your pets are a part of your family. They're ingrained into the culture of your home. And so one thing we really focus on is making sure that we reduce any barriers that might be present for that pet parent and that pet bond. We want to make sure that that stays intact and is strengthened through our program. So our program is a pet parent-led program, meaning our pet parents and their animals are together often. They're encouraged to be a part of all of the steps of the program. There's so much research that shows the benefits of pets and their pet parents healing together. And so when we're able to make that connection, it's really just a place that there are sources of strength for each other. We are extremely fortunate to work very closely with the City of Phoenix and the Paint Phoenix Purple initiative. The initiative is well respected in our community, and it has community-wide impact. And to be a part of a city that not only values but highlights a program like this, I think it speaks volumes, and it really aligns with us and our mission and the value that we hold for survivors, including pets.
If you know someone who is being abused, you're not alone. Call 24/7 at 1-800-799-7233. That number again is 1-800-799-SAFE, SAFE. For more information, go to phoenix.gov/domestic violence.